MeFee RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. Heat cooling pad with metal large mesh surface designed to release airflow as much as possible, improve the cooling effect of laptop cooler. It also let the laptop cooling stand more stable and reliable. 6-core deep cooling. Laptop cooling pad is with 6 high-speed silent turbo fans, provides excellent cooling effect, 360 degrees all-round dynamic cooling, optimized 15.6 inches to 21 inches laptop cooling effect. At the same time, the noise is only 20 decibels, very quiet. This laptop cooler has the LED glaring colorful light with million RGB colors and 7 light effect modes. One button to switch, creates a cool atmosphere. RGB light strip surrounding the laptop cooler offers visually stunning display of colors and effects, optimizing your gaming experience. Havit Laptop Cooler Cooling Pad. Slim, portable, and lightweight, allowing you to protect your investment wherever you go. Doubles as an ergonomic stand with 2 adjustable height settings. The high-quality multi-directional metal mesh provides your laptop with a wear-resisting and stable laptop carrying surface. 3 ultra-quiet fans create a noise-free environment for you. Extra USB port and power switch design. Built-in dual USB hub allows for connecting more USB devices. Warm tips: the packaged cable is USB to USB connection. Type-C connection devices need to prepare and Type-C to USB adapter.